Hello beautiful people, we are back again with another tutorial. Hope you are doing great. So today we're going to be doing this top. This is Ankara fabric. It's a short top with elastic band at the tip here. So I added elastic here. One side is slightly out of the shoulder and this side is normal. If you're adding bed to it, it looks something like this. If you just want to leave it like that, you can leave it like that. So that is what we're going to be making today. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share my video. So let's get to it. To know the measurement you're going to be cutting out, you will measure yourself right from the elbow. You take it right from elbow here and take it across to the other side. So the one I'm working with is 42 inches. Now I will be adding 2 inches for seam allowance. That is 44 inches. So the front is 44 inches and the back is 44 inches. We're cutting the top and the sleeve together just like a kimono style. I'm using 1.5 yards of fabric. So like I said, this side is 44 inches plus seam allowance. The back side is 44 inches plus seam allowance. So I folded it into two. Then I'll be folding it again. Now it's folded into 4. We'll go ahead and place the measurement. As I folded it into 4, this is 1/4. The 1/4 will be 22 inches. I would leave the neckline first. Shoulder to waist is 17 inches. You can make it to your desired length. For me, the length is 23 inches. So I'm placing just the waist line and your desired length. So I'll measure the armhole right from the edge here. I'm taking 11 inches. I'll make it 12 inches. So this is 12 inches. I will now be placing the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 37 inches divided by 4, which is 9.25. I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. And I'll be adding 2 inches for ease. So here. So what I will do, this is my armhole. I measured 12 inches for the armhole. So I will take it and curve it to the waistline. This is the armhole here, 12 inches. So I'll take it from here and curve it to meet take it to the waistline and then bring it down to your desired length. I'll be cutting this out before I place the neckline. So it should look something like this. For the neckline here, I'll be taking 4 inches here. After this, I'm going to open it up. Taking 4 inches here. Then here I'll make sure that I slope 1 inch. I'll cut out this 1 inch first before I cut the neckline. So for the neckline, remember I marked 4 inches here. And for the down part, I'll be taking 3.5 inches. here is 4 inches and the down is 3.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is to open it. I'm not cutting out the neck yet. I will open it wide. Because this top is going to fall on one's shoulder. The neckline, one side will be longer than the other one. So this is the midpoint. Yeah, this is the midpoint. Remember I mentioned 4 inches here. Open it up. So on this side, I will take more than 4 inches on this side because the shoulder is going to fall on one side. So as I open it up, I'm going to be adding more. I will extend the neckline on one side to the sleeve. So this is the midpoint of the neckline. This is the 4 inches, the usual 4 inches is supposed to be. I extended it a bit to 8 inches. So you take it, you connect this, and take it to maybe 8 inches you marked out. So this side is going to fall off the shoulder. One side is falling off the shoulder. So this side is the neckline. This side is 8 inches and the other side is 4 inches. So I will be cutting it out. So what we're going to do now is to put the fabric together. So I'm going to be pinning the shoulders together. I'm pinning this side as well. I'll pin the both side again. Pin the side and pin the other side. So I'll go ahead and sew the shoulder and the both side. I'll cut out the facing for the neckline. I'm cutting out this will be for the facing. So I cut out this as a facing for the neckline. Yeah. So I finished sewing the side and the shoulders. What I'm going to do next is to sew 1 inch from the sleeve because I'll be adding elastic to the tip, the sleeve tip here, both sides. So I will take 1 inch, depending on how wide your elastic is. Mine is half inch. I will sew 1 inch inside like so. Sew it round and take it and twist this small one inside like so. So I'll pin it around and do the same thing to the other sleeve. And for the neck, this is the facing I cut out for the neckline. So this is the front side. So what I'm going to do is to pin it round like so. I will sew this place, the facing, then I will turn it to the other side and press it with the pressing iron. And the hand, I will sew the 1 inch round and do the same thing to the other side of the sleeve and hem the button of my top. Then we are done. I finish sewing the neckline and I hem the button of the top. I sew 1 inch round here, so this is where I'll be inserting the elastic. I will measure my airbud. It's 11 inches. So what I'm going to do is to deduct about 1 or 2 inches elastic. Instead of 11 inches, I will take 10 or 9 inches for the elastic. I'll take my pin and put my elastic inside. I left about 1.5 inch unsewed here. This is where I will insert my elastic. So I will take it through this place and it will come up from the other side. So I'll go ahead and cut out the elastic, the remaining one. What I'm going to do is to stitch the 2 elastic together. So I finished inserting the elastic to the top, and this is the side I extended the shoulder. This is supposed to be the midpoint, so I extended it to the sleeve side so that this will fall out of the shoulder. And this is the other side. I've attached the elastic as well. It's a simple top and very easy to make. If you like, you can add belts to it. I cut out this long belt. You can still wear it like that with a belt. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching my video. Love you. Bye.